Hey guys, it's me Noelle and welcome back to my channel. So for those of you who don't know, I actually have an online jewelry shop. On Instagram, my handle is @shop.noellity, and I basically sell a bunch of handmade jewelry. So if you're into that, go ahead and check it out. These earrings that I wear in a lot of my videos, I actually sell on that shop, as well as some wrapped gemstone rings. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I pack my orders. Packing orders is probably my favorite part of the entire process because I feel like that's where your customers really get to know you and your style. There's just so many ways you can elevate your packaging and make it feel super cute and personal. So hopefully I can give you guys some good ideas. Before we get into the video, I would really appreciate it if you guys could hit that like button and subscribe button and let me know in the comments down below if you want to know more about how I run my online business. Let me know if you guys want to see videos on how to start an online business in 2021, any useful tips, because I'm super passionate about it and I would love to share it with you guys. Alright guys, let's get into it. So when packing online orders, you have complete freedom in how you want to do it, how much money you want to spend on different materials. A lot of the materials I'm using are actually pretty inexpensive and I can list them in the description below. I don't know if you guys can tell with all the pink and hearts, but this was actually for a Valentine's Day order I had. So for my earrings and necklaces, I just use regular cardstock to keep them in place. And I'm pretty sure you can buy these pre-made, but if you don't have that available to you, you can totally make it yourself. I like to make my jewelry holders a little more fancy, so using scissors, I simply cut this decorative design around the borders. Once again, completely up to you. You don't have to do this. This is a little bit extra, but I think it adds a little cute touch. Using a push pin, I carefully make holes for where I want the earrings to go. And it's a better idea to do this on like a mat or a carpet. Don't do this when your fingers are behind because you can potentially poke yourself, so just be careful. And I also like to write a little message on the top. I usually write "for you" with a little gold heart. That's kind of like my signature thing. But sometimes when people have multiple orders, like in this packaging, I draw different things on the different paper. And I'm simply sticking the earring hooks through the holes and fastening it with the earring back. So that is how I do it for the earrings, and now I'm going to show you guys how I do it for necklaces. It's basically the same process, except where I poke the holes is a little bit different. So I poke 2 holes kind of near the right and left edges of the paper, and then I use my scissors to cut little slits. Poking the holes before cutting the slits gives your necklace a nice little area to rest in. Simply place your necklace into the paper holder, and there's going to be a lot of excess necklace in the back. So what I like to do is to use a piece of Scotch tape to keep it all together and keep it neat. After this, I use tissue paper to wrap these babies up, and oh my gosh guys, there are so many options for tissue paper, especially at Target. Oh my gosh, there's just so many. I'm using this sprinkle confetti one because it's so much fun, but they also have ones that have glitter, hearts on them, gold little accents. I love tissue paper, man. I can write a whole book on tissue paper, and I'm simply cutting a piece and wrapping the jewelry in them. I do this not only for decoration and because it's cute, but also for extra protection. I really love to use organza? I don't know how to pronounce that. Mesh bags. Mesh drawstrings bags. They're also called like organza pouches. And the final layer is the actual packaging, and I use bubble mailers. I found this pack of 50 mini bubble mailers for like $10 on Amazon. Bubble mailers are great. They are so protective. And for extra padding, I'm using this gold paper shred and just stuffing the package with it. It's also very cute. I just like all the cute little colors and glittery things. And now I am placing the pouches inside. One of my very, very favorite parts of packing a personal order is the handwritten note. I like to make these mini cards using cardstock, and I think it's just really sweet to include a thank you note to let your customers that you're thankful for them supporting your business, and it's also a good way for them to remember you and your brand. In these notes, I also like to put the monthly cause that I'm donating to that month so they know what they supported. Stick that thank you note in there, and because I'm extra, I decided to include these candy conversation hearts and Valentine's Day stickers. I was having a Valentine's Day special on my shop, and I just wanted to be extra Valentine's Day-y. One thing I really love about these bubble mailers is the adhesive strip. You don't have to use glue or anything. It comes with this super convenient strip. If I was mailing this, I would write the recipient's name and address in the middle and my name and address in the top right. But because this order specifically was being picked up, I just wrote their name and my shop handle. And that's it, a perfectly cute package that is ready to be sent. Keep in mind, I'm not usually this extra with my orders, especially because when you ship out a package, you get charged by the weight of it. But these orders are specifically being picked up from me personally, so I decided to just go that extra mile. Two things I'm planning on doing this year is one, setting up my own Etsy shop, because right now I do my orders through just Instagram DMs. And second is making my own business cards. I am so excited to eventually do that. If you guys have any recommendations of companies or businesses I can go through to print my business cards, let me know in the comments down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you got some useful things out of it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye! Focus, 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 focus. Shop small. Support online jewelry businesses like mine.